Are you looking for the best car protective paint? I have compiled a list of top 5 best car protective paints this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Chemical Guys JetSeal Paint Sealant and Paint Protectant. This product offers car owners a high-quality surface finish that conceals swirl marks, scratches, and minute dents. It's formulated using polymers that produce a fine mix of hydrophobic paint and wax to give your car a deep, glass-like shine. The biggest merit of choosing this Chemical Guys product is that it takes less than 15 minutes to set in. This makes it ideal for a quick makeover. It is also easy to apply and wipe off the surface. Additionally, it is anti-corrosive and protects your car's paint from UV damage. It gives your car a durable and shiny mirror-like look. One disadvantage of this paint is that it doesn't work well on parts made of plastic. This means you'll need to buy a different brand to complete your vehicle's makeover. Number 2. Meguiar's M20 Mirror-Glaze Polymer Sealant. Meguiar's is known for its car care products, and this one is a great value for what you get. The company has been manufacturing products for cars since 1901. This 64-ounce polymer sealant attests to the company's expertise. Auto shops usually charge several $100s for a poly sealant. Meguiar's decided to offer the same sealant the pros use at a fraction of the cost. The company has designed this polymer sealant to outlast other waxes with its brilliant high-gloss finish. It's very easy to use and anyone can achieve stunning results without a lot of effort. You can apply it with your hand, a rotary buffer, or a dual-action polisher. When applying the sealant, ensure your car is cool and away from direct sunlight. After it dries, buff it to a shine with an orbital polish. Meguiar's M20 Mirror-Glaze Polymer Sealant features a gentle cleanser that eliminates contaminants and dirt as it polishes and protects. However, it is quite soft and scuffs easily. It may also leave streaks on car paint. Number 3. Shine Armor Polish and Polymer Paint Sealant Protection. Shine Armor makes high-end car detailing products that are affordable. If you've tried other products on your car, but have never been satisfied, your search may just stop here. The hydrophobic spray offers a waterless wash, coat, and shine. It is engineered to provide top performance, and does not scratch or leave unsightly streaks and smears on your vehicle's surface. The polymer paint sealant is gentle yet effective and eliminates grease and dirt for a luminous finish. Because it comes in a spray can, you can easily treat your entire car in less than 15 minutes. The sealant is safe for all surfaces and can be used on paint, plastic, chrome, and even glass. It gives your car a shield of protection. This car paint protection is 20 times stronger than other poly sealants. It also lasts longer. However, it is worth noting that it doesn't leave a glossy finish like most polymer sealants. The spray bottle is also very small in size. Number 4. Chemical Guys Hybrid V7 Optical Select High Gloss Spray Sealant and Quick Detailer. This is a hybrid detailing spray that bonds with your car's paint to give your paint more optical clarity and protection. It keeps the surface free from road grime, dust, debris, and even fingerprints. It uses nanotechnology to protect your paint and comes in a 16-ounce spray bottle or a 1-gallon jug. You'll appreciate the advanced polymer formulation of the Hybrid V7. It provides long-lasting protection from harmful UV rays with its transparent high-gloss shine. It's safe for use on glass, paint, and almost any exterior surface on your car. One downside is that it may leave a noticeable film on darker paints. It can also look streaky, and it can be frustrating to remove because the streaks disappear when it gets wet. This may also happen if you apply the product in the sun or on a hot vehicle. You may also find that this protectant doesn't last as long as others on this list. Number 5. XPEL Black Universal Bed Rail Guard. This protective film comes in a long roll that is 4 inches wide and 17 feet long. It comes in either a gloss white or a textured black. You affix it to your bed rails on your truck to protect them from scratches or chips while you're loading and unloading your bed. This film is rugged and durable despite being only 13 mils thick. This film is easy to install, which makes it a doable DIY project. What's nice is that a single roll is enough to do both of your bed rails. If you already have damage, this film will cover it up and bring new life to your bed rails. However, the adhesive isn't as durable as the film itself. In hotter climates or when left in direct sun, the adhesive softens and causes the film to peel up. It does something similar in cold climates. If the temperature drops too much, the adhesive will freeze up, and this lets the film peel up. This film is also not designed to work on curved surfaces.